Now, this is Melba Marginson of Australians for Philippine Human Rights Network. We were the first to actually find out that there were two families that were affected by the flash floods in the Cumberland River near Lorne. Sila po, si Ram at saka si Mary ang bali isa sa mga managers. Dalawang couple sila. They are both managers of the Caravan Park. Ano nga ang pangalan ng Caravan Park?
It's Cumberland River Holiday Park.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that's the name of the caravan park.
Mm-hmm. Cumberland River Holiday Park.
That's right.
And how many did you have on that day that
Oh, they have
the
rough-
incident happened?
We can't tell exactly the numbers because nung morning, when the rain started, so few guests left already. So,
Right.
But we were fully booked. I mean,
You were
zero,
fully booked.
zero
Pag
availability.
fully booked yun, that means
So
hundreds.
200 plus
200. Oh my
people.
God.
Yeah, so
Yeah, that
it's
many.
really busy
Oo.
period. So
Oo.
yeah, so but we are glad to say that no, there's no casualty or no injuries at all. So everyone was safe, including us. So thank God for that.
Thank God. You're the managers of the
Right.
park,
Mhm.
Caravan Park, Cumberland Caravan Park, and sabi nyo nga, you had about 200 holidayers,
Mhm.
you know.
Right.
Still, it wasn't raining on that day.
Yeah, it started raining, but it's not that bad from morning around 6. But we have this monitoring that we can see and tell how many rainfall or in terms of meals. Then around 1 p.m. so we started nag-increase yung number of meals sa
Oh.
rainfall. Yeah, so after 30 minutes around 1:30ish, I've coordinated with the team that we have to warn people already, especially on the riverbank, to prepare to act.
Oh.
Yeah. So
So you know that you are
we're,
at the risk.
yeah, it's just
of
our
flooding.
because there was no warning, so we have to have the initiative to at least
How
warn
come there
people.
was no warning?
Yeah, it's too late when we receive at all.
So
Oh.
yeah, so it was just an initiative because we have our own monitoring and yeah. So what we did is we informed everyone there in the riverbank first because those are the most dangerous or flood-prone area. And yeah, so imagine after 5 minutes that
5 minutes lang.
after we told all the guests in the riverbank, flash flood came. It was
Flash flood coming,
coming
ganyan.
from the mountain to the river, to the Cumberland River. And it was like surprising because the river level, it didn't rise an inch. So it was really sudden. It was raining, yes, but it didn't, the river level,
So did you see, nakita niyo yung tubig?
yes. in our own-
Dumadagsa?
Yeah, our very eyes. So,
So nakita niyo talagang dumadagsa yung tubig, ha?
Oo. So, yeah, so, sa, ay, kumbaga eyewitness. We are
Grabe, ano?
eyewitness.
Parang
Yeah.
eyewitness.
Yeah, so parang cinematic masyado yung with all the logs and the water. So
Oo.
parang what? So yeah, we yelled, we have to shake all the tents to make sure everyone
Oo, yung
will be
mga
evacuated.
camping tents,
yes,
ano?
correct.
Oo,
Yeah,
oo.
so yeah, thank God again na lahat ng manang guests is na evacuate natin.
Pero ibig sabihin, di sigawan ng mga tao. Nagsisigawan dahil siya,
Kasi
hindi?
these are all experienced campers. They are all repeating,
repeaters.
repeating guests.
Mga
So,
suki.
correct.
Mga
For decades.
Oo.
For decades. So they are experienced campers. So they were
So,
very cooperative.
so did I tell you, when was the last time there was a flash flood?
This was the worst.
1983.
No, 1985,
83.
45 years ago. So 1985, but it was not this bad. It was very quick and massive. So this was the worst.
Sabi
worst
nila, this
flooding.
was the
Yeah,
worst.
Yeah, as our
Na
guest.
umabot na dun sa playground. Dati hindi umaabot sa office lang.
Correct. So,
Dati maikli lang yung
correct.
dinadaluyan.
Yeah. So supposedly the
Oo.
playground is the
Safest
evacuation
area.
Oo.
assembly area.
Oo,
So we
oo.
told everyone to go to the playground. So everyone was there. And then few minutes, nandiyan na yung tubig ulit. So we have to tell everyone, go to the hill. So lahat umakyat doon sa bundok.
Nagakyatan.
So yeah.
So nakita nyo na yung inanod na yung mga sasakyan,
Tapos,
yung mga
caravans,
Oo,
ang mga personal
oo.
belongings ng mga guests, and then yeah, yung mga caravans nandun na sa tulay, you can hear smashing sound like in almost every second. then yeah, so
Anong tawag natin doon? Sumasalpok.
oo, so ang iba it went under the bridge going
Oh,
to the
yeah,
sea.
to
Ang
the
iba
sea.
naman over
Oh,
the
there was a car,
yeah, 12 to
pinakita
15 cars and one caravan at the
Lumabas,
sa dagat na.
nasa
Yeah,
dagat na.
correct. So
Okay. So how long did it take before the emergency services come?
it was also quick because when
Nandiyan na sila dapat no? Nasa
uh,
paligid na.
but we rang them nung nakita na namin na medyo nandyan na yung flood. So one of our receptionists, Charlotte, rang the SAS already to to inform them about the incident. Yeah, but yeah, they were there, to assist also. So
Well, I was told by the staffer of Member of Parliament, Sheena Watt, that he was also a victim, si
Exactly,
Greg.
yeah.
Sabi niya sa akin, I'm so worried that because they have been attending to all of us, and I'm worried that they are not attending to themselves as well, because sabi niya, we know that they lost the house. Yeah. Yung bang bahay, parang nangyari, inanod na lang o
Nandun pa yung
Nandun, pero
biyak na yun sa gitna.
biyak na
yeah,
sa
dahil sa force ng tubig sa ilalim kasi elevated yung bahay tsaka yung office. So yung tubig, yung current sa ilalim, pinush yung floor.
Pinush yung
so,
floor.
So yung, I think yung mga stamps yata ang bumigay. So kaya nag-break siya sa middle. So, yeah.
So, hindi na kayo makakabalik muna doon.
It will take time para ma-renovate. Yeah.
Yung mga kinuwento mo sa akin, na-touch ako, sabi mo, andyan na kaagad yung Filipino community. No, paano nila kayo na-contact?
Yeah, kasi medyo maliit lang yung Lord. So, medyo close talaga yung Filipino community dito. So, immediately after nung incident, so shinare namin sa kanila. And everyone was, the Filipino bayanihan spirit was there. So, they offered their house. Yeah.
So, nakatulog ba kayo sa bahay ng ilan?
Yes. On the first night, kitulog kami dun sa friend namin. And then, yeah, yung iba nagbigay yung damit para sa mga kids, food. So, yeah,
Pagkain.
it's really a good community here. We are small, but, we are very solid. So,
Pero what also touches me is the fact na puro mga temporary visa
I agree.
holders.
Yeah. I think, in their own
Little
little way
way.
and capacity.
Oo.
Yeah, I think that's a true Filipino spirit na kahit ano ang status natin is nagbibigay talaga. It's the generosity of the Filipino.
That's right. Oo.
Yeah, that's right.
Oo. Ano pa ang mga tumutulong sa inyo maliban sa mga Pilipino? Apart from, I heard na the owner of the caravan park is an old couple.
No, they're from Colac. They are Australian. So yeah, actually they're here every day to check on us. And even the Lorne community here, when we go to pub or the restaurant or the shoe shop and whatnot, they always give us something, because they knew that we are from Cumberland. So they give us extra food, water, even the shoes and everything. So yeah, that's the Lorne community. Yeah, that's what they are doing.
Yun ang maganda dito mga small communities. Kahit naman sa Pilipinas, it will be the same,
Correct.
much more in the Philippines. Pero anong mangyayari ngayon? So now, all the government services, SCS, CFA, hindi naman siguro involved,
They're also involved in clearing and cleaning operations. It's really, really.
Oo, kasi yung
It's really, really bad.
yung mud para kang nasa
Yeah, it's knee deep.
nasa kang bog. Anong natawag natin doon sa Tagalog? Yung kumunoy.
Parang
Kumunoy, parang
quicksand,
kumunoy, quicksand. Yeah.
Yeah, so everyone is helping from the government to the community.
And the churches?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
They're very supportive to people who were also victims, and the guests and the locals.
I immediately rang the consulate, and their immediate concern is, what about your passports? Have you got your passports?
Yes,
Nailigtas niyo ba yung mga passport nyo? So, ipakita natin. Ito po,
Medyo-
Naligtas namin, pero
si
nabasa.
Alo, inahawakan niya ngayon. Yung mga passport nila, naligtas,
Dryer lang.
pero nabasa. So,
Dryer lang.
I think,
namin sure kung-
papalitan niya mga yan. The consulate will take care of that.
Okay.
Okay? At pinapatanong pa nila, ano pa mga kailangan nyo?
Yeah.
Sa papeles, wala naman, ano? Yan, importante lang passport.
Yeah, exactly. It's just the passport. Yeah, but we really appreciate yung effort, especially yes, for heading the Tita Melba. Last night, she rang us and then asked for, what we need.
Ang bilis nga nung walang anuman. Ang bilis nga ng pagtawag doon sa ilang members. Sabi ko, ito yung mga kailangan. Ilang taon yung bata? Ilang taon yung gano'n.
yeah.
Tapos, mga 11 o'clock na ng gabi.
Correct. Imagine traveling for 2 hours. Tapos paliko-liko pa yung kalsada. Then,
That's okay.
Yeah.
It's very scenic, I tell you.
yeah, I agree.
Maganda yung yung paligid ng mountain.
Yeah, totoo. So yeah, thank you everyone for, giving and assisting us.
Hindi, nagtatanong nga sila, ano pa ba yung kailangan? Tapos, sabi nyo nga, pag bumalik kayo, doon na kayo sa mga
Cabins
cabin.
muna. Yeah, because hindi pa siya na-damage totally. So, yeah, we will be able to, yeah.
Habang
It's
hinihintay
livable.
pa namin,
It's livable
Hinihintay pa
naman.
namin na maayos yung
Ma-repair.
office or yung bahay namin. Pansamantala, doon muna kami.
Tapos yung may-ari naman, may ginagawa talaga.
So, yeah, actually, he's waiting for us
Now,
outside.
Sila,
So,
Charlotte, siya yan nung magdadala ila Charlotte doon sa area.
siya yung aming parang grab ngayon. So, siya ang
Wala
magdadala.
yung sasakyan.
wala na kayo mga sasakyan eh. At least sila may sasakyan
Correct,
at ma-arrange
correct.
niya. Well, trabaho naman yan bilang ano. So, yung mga bata, wala pa namang school, mabuti na lang.
Next week, after Australia Day weekend, so school days na nila ulit. Yeah, so nakakatawa itong si Alon. Nung nangyari yung sabi niya, paano yung bag niya, tsaka yung uniform. That's what his concern.
School
School supplies.
supplies.
Yeah, just tell the school. The school will supply that.
The principal yesterday, they will take care of it. See?
Iso-supply nila yun.
Yeah. So,
Tapos sabi ko nga, tinitingnan ni Consul John Wenceslao, sabi ko merong hardship payments. Kung biktima ka ng flash flooding at saka bushfire, may yung una kong nalaman nung bushfire 2,300 per person. No, pero ito yata sa flooding medyo iba yata ang price, ang amount. Pero ibig sabihin lahat kayo entitled. So pwede nyo na kung anong bili nyo, mga gamit nyo, damit nyo, no? Pero wala naman kayong problema ng appliances kasi lilipat kayo ng cabin,
For the meantime,
yeah, yung cabin is for the guests.
guest
Yun.
muna.
So, yeah, habang wala pang guests,
Hira muna.
Dapat lang.
yeah, kami muna. And then, yeah. Actually, di pa namin na-check yung buong bahay kasi
Yun na nga,
we
di nyo
don't
alam
have time.
Alam nyo lang, di ba?
Because again, we prioritize the guests.
Oo.
Hindi namin alam kung anong status ng bahay. Nakita na lang namin. Wala lahat. So,
Wala ba mga guests na masyadong nawindang ang puso dahil sa mga nangyari?
especially the kids, no?
Ano yun, mga may bata, yung mga may anak.
Hindi nila inaasahan na ganun mangyari. Sa isang iglap lang, wala na yung mga...
Pati kotse nila. Oo.
Yeah, but again, everyone was grateful na walang buhay.
Yun ang mahalaga.
Walang
Mabilis
injuries.
umaksyon.
At mabilis yung evacuation. So, yeah. That's what matters most, yung
That's
buhay.
what matters
Yung
most.
buhay.
Oo. Isipin nyo na lang. At saka, parang, pag may mga nagtatanong, ano ba mas, aksidente? Tubig? O
Apoy.
apoy. Okay na ako sa tubig. Hindi ba? Kasi pag apoy, wala kang laban.
namin.
last
Kasi malapit din kami.
Ganun? Ano nangyari last week?
3 days.
Yeah, near sa Apollo Bay, may bushfire, di ba? So, sleepless din kami kasi we have to monitor. We are fully booked. We have to monitor closely yung status ng bushfire. And then, 3 days after, tubig naman pala yung oo. So, yeah. So,
Mahirap talagang tumira din sa mga ganitong lugar,
it's paradise.
Maganda nga, pero
It's paradise, but,
it's paradise, pero
but when nature,
oo.
ang sumingil din.
Oo. Naisip niyo ba yung issue ng climate change? Nung
so, kasi
nangyayari,
very
di ba?
dry yung ibang
Of course,
area
kayo lalo na kayo nag-aral kayo,
Oo.
Oo, di ba? Nababanggit sa atin yung ano yan na yan. Nandiyan na yung resulta ng climate change.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Kasi sabi mo nga, nagulat ka, 5 minutes lang eh.
Oo, ang
Nandito
bilis.
na, ang bilis ng tubig.
I agree. I definitely agree. So, yeah, yung ibang place, yung neighboring town, it was very warm, sunny, no rain. Tapos dito sa kabilang side, buhos yung ulan.
Buhos ang ulan.
100 plus mils of rainfall for
Oo,
6 hours.
napaka-erratic, ano?
Yeah.
Di mo maano.
strange, yeah.
Yan ang problem sa Australia. Well, I guess sa Pilipinas, mas higit pa, no? But sa Australia, yan ang problem. Bushfires every summer.
Correct, correct.
Pero yung flooding all throughout the year, eh. Lalo na sa Queensland, napansin ko, ang dami laging flooding doon. At saka sa New South Wales, kasi maraming mga big bodies of water dyan, eh.
Agree. Yeah. Right. I think nakatulong din siguro na I'm from Leyte.
Oh, talaga?
Lahat ng bagyo dadaan doon. 26 typhoons, right? In a year. So, so parang
Tawa pa rin. Smile pa din. Kasi babangon pa rin. Basta Pinoy.
Ano?
Babangon at babangon basta Pinoy.
Totoo yan. Bilib na bilib nga si Greg. Sabi niya, lagi pa silang nakangiti. Sabi niya. Ay,
yeah, I think
nako.
that's how Filipino,
That's how
very
we are.
resilient. Very
ah,
resilient talaga. Tsaka, yeah, kahit may problema, nakangiti.
Oo.
And that's what keeps us going and
Going.
moving din.
Oo. So, anong, siguro mamaya pagkaraan dito, sabihin nila sa akin kung ano pa yung pwedeng gawin kasi Diyos ko, one night lang ito eh. I mean, how much more? Itong interview ko sa inyo, ilalabas ko na lang, papalabas ko sa Philippine Times para alam, at least for information, because people are asked, like even the consulate was surprised
Right.
na meron palang affected na Pinoy.
Tama.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, ang mangyayari sa inyo, magsasettle kayo dun sa cabin. Nandiyan naman yung inyong employer to help. No?
Yeah. Yeah, because the work never
But
stops. Kasi
but
may
the
mga
work
guests.
will start around clearing.
Yeah, it's both clearing and cleaning at the same time administrative work kasi we have to communicate dun sa mga future guests namin kasi everything was soaked in flood water, so wala kaming, the communication system is disrupted. So lahat ng phone system, all the computers, I only saved my laptop. So yun lang yung way namin ngayon to communicate to our guests.
Oh, you saved your laptop.
Tinaas
Oh,
ko.
wonderful.
Inakyat niya
Oo.
Inakyat niya bago siya nag-evacuate sa taas ng bubong.
Oo.
On top of the roof siya nag-evacuate. Then nung nag-subside na yung flood, binalikan namin yung office. Nandun pa yung laptop. So yun yung way namin ngayon to
Yung isang bag ko
communicate.
na with passport.
Yun yung
Yun.
inuna niyo yung laptop bago
Teka muna.
Sobrang taranta.
Mary, what made you think of going up to the roof? Kasi sabi mo, nag-roof ka eh.
Wala nang other way. Kasi lagpas tao na siya eh. Kaya yun, natumba yung
Talaga
ice.
lang pas tao.
Yes.
Natumba yung ice bridge. Kaya may stepping stone kami para papunta ng shed. Ng bubong ng shed.
Oo. Gano'ng katagal kayo sa bubong?
Siguro, umabot kami almost an hour.
Sobra. I
Oo.
think 2 hours kayo doon.
Oo.
Sa taas.
Tapos maulan pa.
Yeah.
Buti nakaganyan lang ako, nakaikot. Tapos yung na-rescue
Ito,
ko.
kayong tatlo.
Hindi, ako lang.
Kanya-kanya kami ng area eh.
Ano nangyari sa mga bata? Sino may hawak sa kanila?
Inuna ko sila doon sa safe area.
Right. Good.
Oo. So,
Tinan mo nga naman, buti na lang yung mind niya. Imagine otherwise, well, it's, makukuha naman agad yun sa iCloud eh. But I doubt. Ang hirap kasi kuminsan, kung buti nakasave kayo ng information.
Off ko lahat ng mga electricity, bago
Bago
peso
sila
so far
evacuate.
lang talaga lahat. Off lahat para kung may mga electricity, hindi kami makukuryente, kung ano man. Further damage.
So, mabuti nandun siya sa loob ng bahay nung mangyari yun.
Kasi
Ikaw kasi nasa labas ka,
correct,
nagmamonitor
kasi
ka eh.
i-evacuate din yung mga tao sa loob ng office. So kami naman sa grounds, yung iba nasa cabin, sila Faith nasa cabin. So we know yung aming area of responsibility para to ensure na walang maiiwan na guests. So yeah, I think it
Tapos
worked.
magkita na silang tatlo, ako ang nawawala. Sabi,
Oh, nung nasa evacuation area na kami sa bundok, kulang tayo. Si Derek Joy. Nandun siya sa bubong pala. So, with the other guests. So, yeah. But again, we thank God for that.
So,
no?
sa temporary visa kayo, no?
Yeah, for
Ano yun? Paano kayong nakakuha ng visa?
Okay. Interesting story, no? Kasi we're from Boracay for 8 years.
Magtabi nga kayo para madali.
Boracay kami for 8 years. Yeah. And then,
You were working in Boracay.
correct. So, from another paradise.
Another paradise,
to
another
our
paradise.
Correct. Yeah, so
Yeah.
8 years doon. Tapos,
So, manager na kayo sa Boracay.
yes, ako is the director of rooms ako doon sa one of the resorts sa Boracay. Tapos, yung cousin ko, first cousin ko is the CEO of Seek Migration.
SEEK?
Yeah, Seek Migration. She went to Boracay Feb of 2023 para makisabit ng birthday ko din yung Feb na yon. 2023, that was year 2023. And then nag-visit siya tapos nag-talk lang about planning to work sa Australia, pero wala kaming plan at all nung una kasi we're okay. And then nung bumalik siya dito sa Australia, and then yung owner ng park is parang nag-consult sa office niya kung merong kilalang couple na Filipino to manage the caravan park. So minessage ako ng cousin ko na if you want to try mag-manage ng caravan park. Yeah, and we ask for signs, of course. Kay God, kung okay ba tong decision na to.
Yep.
Yeah, then the following day, pagpasok ko sa office, pag-open ko nung laptop. Yeah, so pag-open ko nung laptop, kangaroo yung screen ng laptop. So ang bilis ng sign. The following day agad, may sign na. So isa pa siguro, Lord, para sure lang. The following day ulit, pagpasok ko sa office, tumawag yung sa baba, sinabi na may gustong mag-present na supplier para sa minibar at sa beverage namin sa hotel, sa resort. And then pagdating niya, ang item is Bundaberg and kombucha. It's made in Australia. So dalawang sign agad yun.
Anong dalawang signs?
So sabi ko, enough at Lord, baka sabihin, nangingi ka ng sign, tapos binigyan ka ng dalawa, question pa din.
Question pa rin.
So,
Sobra ka na.
So that's how we tried. We talked with the owner of the caravan park, and then the rest is history. We were here August of 2023. It was destiny.
It was.
It was destiny. Yeah.
And what about the other couple?
They are
They're
student,
international students.
Yeah, correct.
Kayo na ang kumuha sa kanila.
They work also sa pit stop, yung one burger stop dyan sa Lorntown. And then because they're also Cebuanos, we are also Cebuanos. So tinanong namin na gusto niyo bang mag-work din doon sa amin. They tried working with us there, and then I think mag-2 years na sila.
1 year na.
1 year, sobra 1 year na sila doon sa.
So happy naman kayo working here?
I think so.
And,
ang dami ng pinagdaanan for that past 3 years. Kadalawang baha na kami, may bushfire na
may isa pang baha.
2023, first year namin.
First year.
Boxing
Boxing
Day.
Day. Pero hindi ganyan kabaha.
Hindi ganun kalala. So,
Ito talaga the worst.
correct. Yeah, hangin.
There was wind as
nature.
well. Yeah.
So medyo sanay tayo sa mga kalamidad. Kasi I'm from Leyte, so everything went well naman. So I think we're here for a while.
And your kids are liking it here?
Yeah, this is a good town really, especially for kids.
Kasi may P212 naman dyan sa Lord,
May
kaya
school,
okay na.
Mm-mm.
Drive lang namin umaga siya kahapon.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. So, ano lang sabi nga ng medics, I remembered my previous mother-in-law, sabi, things will get better.
Oh, yeah.
Pag merong mahirap na things will get better.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay din.
Sabi nga, in every crisis, there's an opportunity.
Oo,
So,
correct. Look with positivity.
of course. That's why hope is important. No? Yeah.
Well, maraming salamat sa inyo at pagpapatuloy yung ating communication kung ano pa yung mga kahit pero at least yung passport malinaw na na yan sila na raw mag-asikaso. And then meron pa kami mga donation. There will be Baka si Conjen mismo ang darating, no? May nag-uusap-usap sila eh. Or isa or yung dalawang consul to come here and dadali nila yung iba pa mga donasyon. Pero magsabi lang kayo.
Yeah, we will. Actually, enough na yung inyong concern tsaka yung
presence,
thoughts and definitely prayers will also help us.
Ah.
Kailangan namin maging matatag. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Well,
So, sapat na yun actually.
Oo.
So, bonus na lang yung in-kind.
may
We're
mga
grateful.
good
We are
feedback.
grateful.
May mga good feedback naman yung mga puti. Karamihan puti, ano?
Oo.
Yes, most
Thankful
of our
naman
class.
sila kasi
Yeah, as Greg said, parang kahit kami ang nawalan din.
Sabi nga,
Pero,
ni Greg,
yeah, I think that's cost.
believe na believe siya eh.
Yeah,
Sabi
that's
niya.
hospitality after all. We are
Yes.
in the hospitality industry.
Yes.
So,
tapos tumatawa pa.
Oo. Tapos may picture kayo with him, kaya
Yes.
ipapalabas ko rin yun.
yeah,
No?
we have.
Oo.
Yeah, he's a great guy.
So, muli, sabihin natin ang mga pangalan nyo para at least, baka mapanood to sa Leyte. Oo. Pakisabi yung mga pangalan mo,
Yeah,
Ram.
alright. So once again, ako si Ram Nunez. I'm from Leyte.
Wow.
Mary Joy Nunez from Davao.
Yan. See? Pareho po silang Bisaya. Okay. Thank you so much.